Madhya Pradesh Assembly completed 69 years of its formation on Wednesday. On this occasion, a special one-day session was held. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav spoke about government achievements and future plans. During the discussion, Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya made a light-hearted remark. He said the Chief Minister came to the Assembly wearing a suit and boots while ministers and MLA were dressed like poor people. His comments made the House laugh loudly. Congress MLA Mahesh Parmar reacted and saying that Vijayvargiya's words showed hidden pain, suggesting ministers feel the Chief Minister is not paying enough attention to them. After the Delhi Ross Avenue Court refused to take cognizance of the ED charge sheet in the National Herald money laundering case, Congress leaders claim it has a big relief. Following this, Congress workers in Bhopal marched to Gherav the BJP office. Police stopped them using barricades. When protesters tried to climb barricades, police used water cannons. Several workers fell on the road and were injured. PCC Chief Jitu Patwari argued with police at the spot. Later, police detained the workers and took them away in buses. Congress leaders protested by surrounding the police buses. Ratlam Rural District Congress President Harsh Vijay Gehlot has resigned from his post after Ali Rajpur. He sent his resignation letter to MP Congress President Jitu Patwari. In the letter, Gehlot said he is unable to perform party duties due to family responsibilities and work in his assembly area. Jitu Patwari became MP Congress President in December 2023. About 18 months later, in August 2025, he announced the name of 71 district presidents. Harsh Vijay Gehlot was appointed President of Ratlam Rural, which was vacant earlier. Dewas police took major action under Operation Prahar and seized MD drugs worth Rs 11 lakhs. One accused was arrested and a juvenile was taken into custody. Total items worth Rs 11 lakhs 70,000 were recovered. The action was carried out by joint police teams from Kannauj and Satwas police stations. Acting on a tip of information, police formed 3 special teams and set up a blockade. During checking, 2 people on a bike were found suspicious. Police recovered 55 grams of MD drugs, 1 motorcycle and 2 mobile phones from them. The Income Tax Department conducted major raids in Jabalpur on Wednesday in a disproportionate assets case. The team raided the civil lines residence of mining businessman Rajiv Chadha and Nitin Sharma. At the same time, raids were carried out at the premises of Katni District Panchayat Vice President and BJP leader Ashok Vishwakarma and his 3 brothers. Searches were also conducted at location in Satna. Income tax team from Indore and Bhopal are carrying out the action. Officials are checking documents, cash details and property-related records at all locations. A farmer from Shajapur district reached the Ujjain IG office on his knee to complain against police harassment. Dinesh Singh, a resident of Mubarakpur village, alleged harassment by police of Avantipur Badodia police station. He wore a garland made of written complaints around his neck. Dinesh said police threatened to trap him in a false case while searching for another person. He claimed police behaved inhumanly with him. Dinesh supports his elderly parents, wife and children. He requested strict action against the policeman and demanded justice. In Sihor district, salaries of 1,724 teachers were stopped for not marking e-attendance. The district education officer issued the order. Teachers protested the decision and submitted a memorandum through MLA Sudesh Rai's representative. Teachers said stopping salaries is unfair and against rule. They explained that many rural areas have network problems, making e-attendance difficult. Teachers also complained about technical issues in the app, including wrong location tracking and face mismatch errors. They demanded immediate release of pending salaries and improve in the e-attendance system. Madhya Pradesh is again facing severe cold and dense fog due to a cold wave. The weather department issued a cold wave alert in Bhopal, Raisen, Rajgarh, Shajapur and Sihor. Dense fog was reported in 22 districts, including Bhopal and Gwalior. Due to fog, trains and flights are getting delayed. Trains coming from Delhi to Bhopal and Indore were delayed by 1 to 2 hours. The weather department warned of dense fog in several districts, especially during morning hours, affecting daily life and transportation.